Hello everyone. Today we are going to demonstrate how we can edit a booking inside PAL customer portal. After you log in, you will see a menu bar on the left hand side. Let's click my bookings. When you click my bookings, bookings are being organized into a few periods. The first is today. Whatever trips that you are expecting today, you will be able to find it under the Today tab. And you have a next 7 days and the next 30 days. And assuming that you have booked a trip that is beyond 30 days, you can choose the custom period to select whichever period that you like to see. So for the purpose of today's demonstration, we are going to pick example and show you how we can edit a booking. So when we click the trip itself, it will show up this booking success page. How do we edit? So on the top, there's three buttons. There's four buttons. So let's look at the edit button over here. So once you click edit, it will bring you back to the booking detail page. And this is where you can edit your booking details should you there be any changes. So we would like to change the pickup date from the 25th of October to the 26th of October. So all I need to do is to reselect the date and choose the correct date that I wanted. And once we are done, we can click next and we click next. In the event that you have selected some additions like extra stops, child seat, they will prompt you to make additional payment immediately after you select it. Likewise, if you have cancelled some additional items, you will also be receiving your refunds straight away. In today's example, we are just editing the date, so there won't be any extras items. So what we need to do is to click the Save button at the bottom right. So once you see that the remark says booking has been edited, it will says that the booking has successfully been edited, and you will also be receiving an email notifications with the amendment. All right, that's all for today. Thank you for tuning in.